This song was written in 1823. It's called The First Noel. The first Noel, the angels did send, was to searching for shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep.
The next song is a wassailing song from the great state of Kentucky. For those of you who are not familiar, the singers, the wassailers, would come. They would have their cups. They would sing a few songs, and the expectation is that then this big vat would be rolled out, and everyone would be served this nice piping hot alcoholic beverage. And usually that's what happened. But sometimes, some years, people got stingy, and there was no wassail to be had.
Things were done.
And generally, the practice generally was that if no wassail was served to you after you had sang, you'd rip up their lawn.
A little bit of landscaping involved.
I think we should bring it back. It sounds good to me. This sounds like a good arrangement to me.
It's like trick-or-treating for adults.
But there are consequences.
We can go to a gated community in Issatalka somewhere. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out.
It's not an asshole.
Not in Nassau. Not here. The point is here. Anyway, this is the Kentucky Wassail.
From an old oak tree, and the ale was made in Kentucky, and it's joy be to you, and the jolly wassail, and it's joy be to you, and the jolly wassail. Good man, good wife, while we're within, come at the lounge, let us come in. We see you are sitting in the boot of the fire, not a thinking of us in the mud and the mire, and it's joy be to you, and the jolly wassail, and it's joy be to you, and the jolly wassail. There was an old maid and she lived in a house. She had for a pet a tiny wee mouse. The house was good and the house was warm, and a little bit of liquor wouldn't do us any harm. And it's joy be to you, and the jolly wassail, and it's joy be to you, and the jolly wassail. A man in York drank sack from a pail, but all we ask is a wee wassail. A husband and wife, the last we part. God bless this house from the bottom of our hearts, and it's joy be to you, and the jolly
the lawn. Good system. I like it.
Now you want to sing the words?
Tobacco Hill. It was Tobacco Hill. We got it.
Did you say Tobacco Hill?
Tobacco Hill.
Tobacco.
He said tobacco first. It's like The Simpsons.
No, I didn't.
I could swear.
No, you must have just heard that because that's what was in your head. Sing song, kitty, can't you cry me out? Sing song, kitty, can't you cry me out?
Call the ground all low and slow.
Sing song, kitty, can't you cry me out?
And up the babies when they roll.
Sing song, kitty, can't you cry me out? Keep up, guy, oh, well, put your high up, and yeah, come Sally singing sometimes, penny whistling, Tom, hip, cap, sing song, kitty, can't you cry me out?
Milk in the dairy at 9 days old.
Sing song, kitty, can't you cry me out?
Frogs and mosquitoes are getting mighty bold.
Sing song, kitty, can't you cry me out?
Tried to go to sleep, but it was no use.
Sing song, kitty, can't you cry me out?
Rumble around in the chicken roost.
Sing song, kitty, can't you cry me out? Keep up, climb on there, roll well, behind you, and yeah, come Sally singing sometimes, penny whistling, Tom, hip, cap, sing song, kitty, can't you cry me out?
Sometimes things just go all wrong.
Sing song, kitty, can't you cry me out?
Cotton short instead of long.
Sing song, kitty, can't you cry me out?
What you gonna do when it don't rain at all?
Sing song, kitty, can't you cry me out?
Things grow short instead of tall.
Sing song, kitty, can't you cry me out? Keep on, climb on there, roll well, with your high in your hook, and yeah, come Sally singing sometimes, penny whistling, Tom, hip, nap, sing song, kitty, can't you cry me out?
There was a frog lived near a pool.
Sing song, kitty, can't you cry me out?
Surely he was the biggest fool.
Sing song, kitty, can't you cry me out?
He could jump and he could sing.
Sing song, kitty, can't you cry me out?
Make the woods all around him ring.
Sing song, kitty, can't you cry me out? Keep on, climb on there, roll well, with your high and ho, and in comes Sally singing sometimes, penny whistling, Tom, hip, cap, sing song, kitty, can't you cry me out? Keep on, climb on there, roll well, with your high and ho, and in comes Sally singing sometimes, penny whistling, Tom, hip, cap, sing song, kitty, can't you cry me out?
I thought you speed up.